Well, as inaugural runs go, that's pretty much of a flop. Well, good day, folks. We're here again today with another wind-up engine on the edge of town layout. Now, I haven't really done much on the layout because I've been spending the last few weeks trying to box things up and sell on eBay. A gargantuan task given the amount of stuff I have in the cave. And one of these things that I'm getting rid of is this Marx number 400 wind-up engine. It has a plastic shell, and it's a little bit unusual in that in lieu of a smoke unit, if you can see that little bubble, that bubble gets filled with baking powder. I found that out the hard way when I took this thing out of the storage box and kind of tipped it over, and baking powder was everywhere. What a pain in the butt. So, you and me and the rest of the world are going to see this in operation for the first time since I bought it, maybe 15 years ago or more. It's just been laying in the box all that time. Gave it a little lube, and that's about it. The engine does have a bell ringing feature. I don't know how well this runs. This is the first time right now here that we're going to be able to see this thing go through its paces. Alright, it seems to be already wound up, so let's see what this can do. The edge of town layout is still a little bare. Like I said, I've been concentrating on going through the mess out here in the cave in the garage and trying to sell things, so I haven't done much with this layout at all. As a matter of fact, the buildings you see here today, I took off of the big layout, put it on here just so they have a little, have a little scenery, and that's about it. Other than that, I haven't done a thing. Now, all right, let's see what this thing does. I do see smoke wanting to come out. The faux smoke. Alright, I took off 3 of the cars. There's just the engine and the tender. Well, as inaugural runs go, that's pretty much of a flop. I'd rather just hook up a train to electricity and watch it run. Okay, I'm going to take the tender off and see if this engine will do anything without a load. I'm going to wind it up again. Wind it up again. Okay, alright. Not bad. Not bad that time. Let's do this. So, alright, let's try this again. And actually, I do believe this ran better than the last wind-up I put on here. Let's do this. Let's take a car off. Put her in reverse, the 050, and right. Now let's see what it's like. Now I'm going to give it one more wind up. You know, after all, I am selling this engine. This is why I pulled it out, and I'm doing this just to check it to make sure it actually works. And it does, it works. Seems to be a good puller for what it is. Probably do a much better on a level layout. But, you know, it is what it is. It's a toy. Alright, let's see here. Patience, I'm trying to operate the engine with one hand and film this with the other. That was respectable. For this layout, with its problematic construction, that was respectable. Alright, I'm happy that this works, and works fairly decent. And I hope you enjoyed watching the Marx No. 400 plastic wind-up engine with baking powder smoke and clinging bell function. Have a good day.